two cooks in the kitchen. Let's make a crab curry. Today we went and got 4 live crab, and you can see the video about how we cleaned and steamed them, how to pick them. But now it's time to make a dinner with some of that nice, delectable Dungeness crab meat. So I've taken a very small butternut squash and cut it into cubes. I've got a stick of lemongrass and I've cut it into 2 pieces, and I'm just going to pound these and release the insides of them. And obviously, we'll pull these out when we're done cooking our meal. And then there isn't really a lot to this. I have approximately 3 tablespoons of yellow curry paste. And over here on the stove, I have some coconut oil heating up. And to that, I'm going to add my lemongrass and let that get going. And I'm going to add my curry paste. So obviously there's water in the curry paste. And let that calm down a little.
Calm down. Simmer down now.
This is splashing the whole kitchen. I don't think we got any more on the ceiling. But... Okay, now calm down. What we want is this to cook enough so that the chili paste kind of incorporates into the oil. And that will be a thing at the end where there's these golden oil bubbles floating around.
It's very fragrant right now too.
Yeah.
Just bam like that.
It's a beautiful thing. So I don't want anything that's really going to overpower the crab. Crab is a relatively delicate flavor, and so this yellow curry is not too spicy. I think if I was making this just for myself, I have some pretty spicy red curry that I would use. But I want Kelly to be able to eat this and enjoy it, and she's pretty much right on the fence about crab as it is, and if I make it really hot, she's going to be having like a bologna sandwich or something.
It's true, except we don't have any bologna.
Yeah, well. And so, I can see that this is all starting to work out pretty nicely here. So I'm just going to throw in my butternut. Stir, stir. And a can of coconut milk. And, we're kind of watching our calories a little bit these days. Otherwise, I would use the coconut cream because that's really good, but this is going to be good as well. And I think that is not quite enough liquid, so I'm going to add just a little bit of water to that. And if you're going to add water and you put it in the can, you rinse out whatever's left in the can. And yeah, that's going to be good. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Now this is going to just sit here. I'm going to turn it down once it starts boiling again. And I'm just going to let this simmer for about 40 minutes, and that should cook this butternut. And then we just add a few more ingredients and it's time to eat. And you can see in here that the oil is yellow. It's just this beautiful color, and it's all incorporated. This is going to be delicious. So we'll come back once the butternut's cooked and finish it up. All right, so the butternut is cooked. I'm going to remove what I can find of the lemongrass right now. It somewhat fell apart in there. And then...
Oh, thanks.
No good. We're going to add a tablespoon of fish sauce.
It really smells like it already has it in there for some reason.
It's in the curry.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Oh, shoot. And a tablespoon of sugar, which obviously you do the dry ingredient first. Duh. But that didn't happen, so make an approximation. Okay, and then we're going to add the juice of an entire lime, because this definitely required some kind of acid, and this is, I think, is going to do it. We may add a little lime squeeze to the dish when we serve it. And then the star of our show.
Oh, back here.
The crab. So now this is 3 crabs. 3 crab picked. And I'm going to use about half of it. I think I'm going for about a crab and a half here.
How long did it take you to pick that?
I forget. But usually it's about a half hour per crab. So I think I might have been a little faster today, but not much.
Because you weren't eating it.
It takes a long time. I think that's pretty good.
Maybe save a couple of those nice pieces for garnish.
Oh,
That's a nice bunch of crab in there.
here's a nice bunch of crab. Yeah, okay. You don't need the big legs in a soup like this, because you're not gonna appreciate them. All right, so now we stir, and I believe once we give this crab time to warm up, because it was in the fridge, this is our dinner.
Come back and taste it in a minute.
Crab curry with butternut. All right, so here's our dish in the bowl. We're pairing this with a Rodney Strong 2016 Reserve Chardonnay. This is a beautiful Chardonnay. We went back to Rodney Strong just to buy a case of this, and we still have a couple of bottles in the cellar. But it's a really nice wine. It's, as I described it to a friend, it's all the good things. And let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. That is delicious. It's very flavorful. It's very sweet. It needs some more lime juice, and hence there's a lime squeeze here that the user will squeeze upon their dish. But it's rich, it's coconutty, it's crabby. This ticks all the boxes. So it's a good one. So thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.